Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Ahrefs for competitive analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Ahrefs website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the dashboard that presents you with various tools. Begin by selecting the Site Explorer feature from the left-hand menu. In the search bar, enter the URL of your competitor's website and click on the search button. Allow Ahrefs to analyze the site, which may take a few moments. After the analysis is complete, you'll see a summary of the website's key metrics. Pay close attention to the domain rating, backlinks, and organic traffic statistics displayed. Scroll down to examine the website's top organic keywords. Here, you can see which keywords are driving the most. Click on any of these keywords to gather more detailed information, such as search volume and ranking position. Next, head over to the Backlinks tab found in the Site Explorer menu. This tab provides insights into the sites linking back to your competitor. Analyze the quality and quantity of these backlinks to identify potential opportunities for your own strategy. To dive deeper, consider checking out the Content Explorer tool. Enter keywords relevant to your niche in the Content Explorer to find popular content. Evaluate the engagement metrics such as social shares and backlinks for each piece of content. This information can help you understand what types of content perform well in your industry. Return to the Site Explorer and explore the Traffic section. Here, you can assess the estimated monthly traffic your competitor receives. This section also allows you to compare traffic trends over time. Finally, compile your findings into actionable insights for your own content strategy. Use this competitive analysis to identify gaps in your own approach and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Repeat this process regularly to stay updated on your competitors and the evolving market landscape. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.